Good morning children, how are you? Yes, you are fine and you are safe, okay, and you are spending a lot of time with your parents and with your siblings, okay children. So how you are spending the time with your parents and children? That is will be very nice, okay. So here we are going to say the worksheet because we have completed lesson number 2. Okay, the food we eat. Okay children. So here we are going to learn about the worksheet. So please all children with your sharpened pencils open your worksheet. Open your worksheet children, and here in the worksheet 1 of lesson number 2. Okay, let us see what are the questions and we will solve it. Okay, here worksheet 1. The food we eat. Okay. Circle the names of things we eat. Okay. First one, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. T-H-E, the. N-A-M-E-S, names. O-F, of. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-E, we. E-A-T, eat. Okay children. Circle the names of things we eat. First one, here first number is there, R-I-C-E. What is that? Rice. Okay. The rice we eat, children? Yes, we will eat. That is the reason we have to circle it. Okay, next one. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. What is this, children? This is pencil, na? Yes. So, this pencil you will eat? No, we should not eat. Okay, next one. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Pulses we are eating, children? Yes, we are eating the pulses. Okay. Next one, K-I-T-E, kite. So, kite we are eating? No, we are not eating the kite. In the same way how we have circled rice and pulses, in the same way we have to do the next questions also. Okay. Second one, eggs. Eggs we are eating, children? Yes, that is edible. That comes in the food. So, we have to circle. Next, idli. Yes, you are eating the idli, na? Next, D-O-S-A, dosa. Yes, dosa also you are eating. But are we eating book? No, we are not eating the book. This is the book. This we will eat this book? No. Okay, next one. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Don't be confused children between the A-N-A-N-A. It will be B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Okay. So, bananas are you eating? Yes. So many children have favorite fruit, na? Bananas. Yes. Yes. Next one. D-O-L-L, doll. Doll, are you eating? No, that is non-living thing. So, non-living things we are not eating, right? Doll we are not eating. Next one, C-H-A-P-A-T-T-I, chapati. Chapati we are eating? Yes, we are eating the chapati. That is the reason we have to circle. Next one, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. What is this, children? What is this, beta? Yes, this is an eraser. So, this eraser we are eating? No. So, we should not circle this. Next one, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. Crayons, what you do with the crayons, children? Do you eat them or do you paint with them or do you draw with them? Yes, either you draw, either you paint, but you won't eat, right? So that will be the crayons. Crayons and color pencils. You always enjoys to do coloring, right? Next one, paper. P-A-P-E-R. So this is made up of paper only, na children? So, this paper will you eat? No. Next one, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Cake will you eat, children? Yes, you will eat cake, and most of you them like so much cakes and ice creams. But you can eat sometimes, but don't eat every day and don't eat that because that is a junk food. Junk food we should not eat, children. Okay. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Do you know, children, like butter comes from the milk? Yes. So, butter, yes, we are eating. That is the reason we should circle it. Okay, children? Next. B. S-O-L-V-E, solve. T-H-E-S-E, these. R-I-D-D-L-E-S, riddles. Again I am saying solve these riddles. Solve these riddles means here some riddles has been given. We have to solve them. Okay. First one. I-A-M-M-A-Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. I am a yellow fruit. I grow on trees. I grow on trees. I am A-G-O. So which color is fruit? Which fruit is yellow in color, children? And which is growing on trees? That fruit will be very tasty, which is pulpy in taste, and it is very juicy, right? That will be the mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Okay. One more riddle is here, beta. M-Y, see, when the sentence start, you have to write with the capital M. M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, rhymes. R-H-Y-M-E-S, rhymes with, W-I-T-H, with, wish. W-I-S-H, wish. My name rhymes with wish. I am a cat's favorite dish. I am a cat's favorite dish. Do you know, children, cats, what's the favorite dish of cat? That is fish. And it's rhyming word with the wish. Rhyming word with the wish. And it lives in water. So that will be F-I-S-H, fish. Okay, children. You have to draw and color here. Okay. So what you have to draw here? You have to draw here mango, and you have to draw here fish. Okay, children? Next one. C. C bit, you see beta? W-R-I-T-E, right? N-A-M-E-S, names. O-F, of. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. A-N-D, and vegetables. Vegetables. E should be silent, children. Okay. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Beginning, B-E-G-I-N, N-I-N-G, beginning. You need not to learn this, just you can say beginning. Please repeat after me. Beginning, beginning. Beginning means starts. Okay. W-I-T-H with the L-E-T-T-E-R-S letters given, G-I-V-E-N, given. B-E-L-O-W, below. Okay. So you have to write the fruits and vegetable which starts from that letter. Okay. From the B, what you can write, children? Brinjal. We can write the brinjal. This is vegetable. Then what about the anything? What you know about the B from fruits? That is banana. We have seen now only bananas. Yes. You can write in a neat handwriting. Okay, children. P. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Vegetables. In the fruits, papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. You can write like this. Okay. Here in the G, I got in mind guava. Guava. Guava you can write as a fruit. Then what about this? You can write as a ginger. You can write as a ginger. Right, children? So please write from here and complete it. Okay, children? This one we will see. Deep bit. R-E-A-D, read. T-H-E, the. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Underline, U-N-D-E-R, under, L-I-N-E, underline, underline the N-A-M-E-S names of FOD food items that give us energy. Circle the names of food. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle the names of food items. T-H-A-T, help, that, H-E-L-P, help, U-S-S, T-O-2, G-R-O-W, grow. Here you have to read these sentences and you have to underline the names of food items that gives us energy. And circle the name food items that helps us to grow. Which helps us to grow? Protective food. Which gives us energy? Bodybuilding food helps us to get the grow, and protective food gives us energy. So you have seen in that one, right? Yes. So you have to suppose first one is Roja eats rice every day. Rice is energy giving food. That is the reason you have to underline it. Okay. Venkat has bread for breakfast. So bread is a energy giving food. That's the reason you have to underline. Meera likes to have milk and eggs. So this milk and eggs helps us to grow the body. So that is body building food. So we have to circle milk and eggs. Last one, see children. Ali has chapatis for lunch. So chapatis are energy giving food. That is the reason you have to underline. Okay children. So do this worksheet. Draw very neat yellow color mango, and here fish. I will see. You just keep in this. Okay. Just see this. I will check whether how much you have written. Okay. So do this worksheet at your home and write in a very neat handwriting, and take the help of your siblings and parents. Okay. And write your name and class here. Okay children. Take care. Bye bye.